Greetings to everyone. I am Connie Fanders, and I will be coming back to the Sewing Palace to show you the ultimate sewing, quilting, and embroidery machine, the Bernina 990. I have been on the development and testing team for the Bernina 990 from the beginning, and I am convinced that this is the easiest to use machine with practical features that are designed to give me and you professional results. From the 14 inches of space to being able to do every single quilting technique very professionally, the Bernina 990 has it all. Come and join me as I show you how to embellish beautifully with our new jumbo stitch feature. And in quilting, I cannot wait to tell you about the new Bernina integrated stitch regulator and the new features for computerized quilting that make quilting as easy and as professional as computerized quilting on the long arm. For all embroidery enthusiasts, we will talk about the new customizable lettering and how we use the brand new Bernina placement scanner and pinpoint placement to place any embroidery design, any quilting design, or lettering precisely. I hope you can join me at the Sewing Palace when I show you the ultimate sewing, quilting, and embroidery machine, the Bernina 990.